Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a drone. It's 65 mm in size from motor to motor and it's meant for indoor flight. I've been flying this guy at home for about a year and I find it very maneuverable. So let me show you the race course I'll be demonstrating later on. Alright guys, so this is the race course I'll be demonstrating later on. This is the general overview of the race course, and this is my starting point. I will take off from here, fly straight, make a hard left, and then fly down the corridor, starting on the left, on the right, and then from here I'll do a U-turn. Fly left, fly right, and then straight up to here. I will do a sharp right turn into the tunnels, which you can consider as 6 consecutive gates. I will then increase altitude and fly through this gate here, make a U-turn, fly through that gate, come back around, fly over these boxes, hard left, and I'm back where I started, and that will be my lap. Alright, so like I said in my previous video, aeronautics is not only about fixed wing, but also include multi-rotors and a lot more. In the future, some of you who have shown good progress in drone flying may move up to the area of drone racing. The more you practice, the better you will become. And the first pilot to complete this race course of similar difficulty at your own pace without hitting any objects including the floor will receive this drone as an award. So I urge you to participate actively in all upcoming projects or plane builds, be it glider or aeroplanes. Follow instructions well and improve your build quality. I wish you good luck in this challenge, which will stand until I graduate from CVSS. Now I'll show you my flight footage. Check it out.